everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel again. So in this tutorial video, you will learn how to easily retrieve your simple mobile account number and PIN, as well as how to transfer your PIN to another device. So follow the step-by-step instruction provided by to ensure a smooth process. So let's start. Here are the first thing we have to get a simple mobile account number. So in first matter, we have to using a SIM card. So BYOD activation. If you activate with a BYOD, your account number is the last 15 digit of the SIM ICICD integrated circuit card identifier. So printed on your SIM card. So in method 2, using a phone number. If you bought a phone from a simple mobile, your account number might be your IMEI International Mobile Equipment Identity number of the device. To find IMEI number, you have to dial their number star hashtag 06 So and tap dial, your IMEI number will appear on the screen. For Android, you have to open the phone setting, about phone, and then IMEI number. So also for iPhone, tap the setting icon, going to journal. In journal, we have to go into about phone to find the IMEI number. So here the method third, we have to using online method. So log into your my simple account online, navigate to the account update, then locate it in the upper right corner. So your account number should be visible in this section. So in steps 4, we have to call their customer support reps. In method 4, we have to call their support service. So in method 4, we have to call their customer service. So we have to dial this number 877-878-7908 around 8:15 a.m. to available 7 days a week. So once connected, follow this step to reach our live representative. First, you have to press a 1, then after 5, then after 5, then 6, then 2, then 2. So communicate with the live representative and request the necessary information such as your simple mobile account number account PIN of a simple mobile. The PIN for a simple mobile will be the last of your 4 or 8 digit of the integrated circuit card identifier. Then simple mobile typically email you the PIN number when you activate your account. If you need to retrieve it, you may have to search through old messages, including checking the spam folder. And now here are the method of your account transfer PIN. So for transfer your PIN, you need to contact their simple mobile customer service. So to port out text NTP exclude code then 611611 you will get a port out number. So these are some simple process when you try to get your account number and a account PIN and also transfer your PIN in simple way. So thank you for watching our video. I hope this video is very helpful for this problem and we will catch you in our next video.